Guys, and welcome back to the video. And we're gonna be having a snowstorm tomorrow. So, and Brayden, if you're watching, since you said in your new video about you can still upload using Wi-Fi thing, thank you for letting me know. So, I hope you guys are gonna stay safe during this storm. So, yeah, if you're wondering where those pop prints are, my dog Pork Chop went outside and then he went back in because he doesn't like the cold. So, it's not snowing, it's actually sleeting. Sleet is basically frozen water. So, I'm actually gonna go in the sleet. So, look, it's all pure sleet. Look at that. You can literally get all that off and it numbs your hand. I'm not gonna go completely in because I can slip, but look at that. It's all sleet. Look at that. You can literally walk in it. This is really cool. So guys, we're gonna be getting a snowstorm tomorrow, so oh great, my hand is numb. Okay, well, I can't feel my hand. So yeah guys, I hope you guys are gonna be staying safe. Don't drive on the road. Don't run in ice. It's because you can hurt yourself and slip. And trust me, it's not any fun. So we're gonna be getting 8 inches of snow tomorrow. I actually thought this was snow when I saw it, but it was not snow. It's a sleet. I'm so freaking cold. Even though I'm wearing a jacket, I'm still cold. So yeah, as you can see on the camera. That's why I flash on. You can see the sleet. So yeah, I'm actually pretty happy that this is happening because we have not had snow in so long. The last time we had snow was on the roof. And guys, look. There's actually snow on the roof as well. I mean, sleet on the roof, as you can see. There's sleet on basically all the roofs, including our roof. Super cool, though. It's actually really nice to have a cold day because usually we would not have this, but we do. So oh, and never touch too much sleet because it can make your hands numb. I'm trying to do it so I can show you. It's like a powder almost. So, yeah, guys, I gotta get inside because it's really cold out here. So, yeah, guys, I'm gonna be having a snowstorm. So, I'm still gonna be doing videos tomorrow. I'm still gonna be doing all those videos. So, and Brayden, I hope you're gonna stay safe too. So, yeah, I hope you guys are gonna stay safe. Keep your pets and animals inside, if possible, unless they need to go to the bathroom or whatnot. So, stay safe, stay inside if you can, unless there's snow. So, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time. And I promise this is the last video I'm gonna do for today. Well, bye.